If you're still doing these 5 things manually, you're leaving hours on the table every single week. Today I'll walk you through the 5 AI automations that give small businesses the biggest time savings, all using free or low-cost tools, no coding required. Let's get into it. Number 1. Email replies. The average person spends 2.5 hours per day on email. With N8N and Claude, you can build a system that reads every incoming email, drafts a contextual reply, and saves it as a Gmail draft ready for your review. You spend 10 minutes approving drafts instead of 2.5 hours writing them. Number 2. Social media posts. Stop writing posts from scratch. Connect a Google Sheet of topics to Claude via N8N, and have it generate a week of content every Monday morning. Buffer publishes 1 post per day automatically. 10 minutes of topic planning replaces hours of writing. Number 3. iMeeting summaries. Every meeting you have is automatically transcribed by Otter.ai and summarized by Claude. Action items are extracted and emailed to attendees the moment the call ends. No notes, no follow-up emails, no forgetting what was decided. Number 4. AI customer support chatbot. Chatbase lets you build a chatbot trained on your own content in under 30 minutes. Embed it on your website and it handles your most common customer questions around the clock. Fewer support tickets, faster response times, happier customers. Number 5. Invoice processing. Connect Gmail to make .com and set a filter for emails with PDF attachments. Claude reads the invoice, extracts the vendor name, amount, due date, and category, and logs it automatically to a Google Sheet. Your bookkeeping updates itself. That's 5 automations. Email, social media, meetings, customer support, and invoices. Together they can save a small business owner 15 to 20 hours per week. Pick one and set it up this week. Start small. The compounding effect over a year is significant. Subscribe for the full setup tutorials on each of these. And drop a comment below. Which one are you setting up first?